To set up alarm clock on Poco F8 Ultra, you have to start by opening your clock application. Now we can pick one of the following preset. You can just simply turn it on. And now if you want to customize this one, you will have to open. And by going to the additional settings, you can change time of your alarm, minutes. Also, you can change a ringtone. Then we can find option to set repeat once, daily, from Monday to Friday, or we can set this as a custom. So let's say I want to even get this for Saturday and Sunday. And also we can get the vibration when alarm sounds. You can also turn it off, and you can set name for your alarm. So let's say I'm gonna get wake up. There we go. Now I have to click here on the right upper corner to confirm. And that's basically everything for this video. You can, by the way, set multiple alarms at once and customize them. For each alarm, when you're gonna turn it on or off, take a look. You can set this option, turn off this repeating alarm, or for example, turn off once on December 16th. And the same for this one. And if you are gonna turn on some alarm, you can find when the next alarm will ring. So in the 18 hours and 50 minutes in my case.